guys, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, just a super quick one. I'm going to show you how you can use foils and glitter to create a really pretty sugared, glistening, glittery foily nail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a layer of white gel polish. I'm going to do 2 layers of this and cure each layer. You could obviously do any colour you wanted, but I wanted white just so the flowers really pop. I'm then going to take a layer of foil gel, and I don't put too much on. As you can see, I put it in the centre of the nail. I'm going to wipe off the excess on my brush and then just drag it down either side of the nail and get the free edge. I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds, and I'm just going to cut off a reasonable amount of foil. I am using Phoenix glitter foil as well as Phoenix glitter, just so you know. I will put a discount code on screen for you. And I'm then just going to use my silicone tool to just kind of get rid of any creases. I like alternating between the silicone tool and my thumb or my finger. I just find the heat from the thumb kind of helps get the foil to stick, but the silicone tool can be really good at actually getting specific areas that might be a little bit troublesome. As you can see, you can peel it away, and if it doesn't look like it's completely stuck down, then just press it back down and give it another good old rub. And there's a few bits that didn't transfer, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take another part of the foil where there is a pattern and just put it on the nail. I'm not being too particular. I've gone with this foil because I liked the swirly writing and the flowers. It kind of made it feel a little bit old-fashioned-y, vintage sort of. That's what I personally wanted to go for this look, but you could do this technique for any foils that you've got. Once you're happy with how much foil you've got on the nail, like that, I'm going to put that to the side and I'm going to mix my little glitter mix. So I'm taking some clear acrylic and a scoopful of my glitter. Now you could just put glitter over the top, but you'd have to use more glitter, and I didn't want it to be completely glittery. I wanted you to still be able to see the pattern, which is why using the clear acrylic powder really helps with that. You can't see the pattern 100% clearly this way, but you do still see the design underneath. So I'm just gonna mix them until I'm kind of happy with how it's looking. And then on a bit of card underneath and my no wipe top coat from Phoenix, I'm just going to put an even layer all over the nail. I've got the card there just to catch any glitter. Joe or Barbara, if you see this, I caught all of the spillage. And I'm just going to sprinkle our glitter and acrylic mix over the top. You can see that this glitter has a really pretty like purple hue to it, but it is a white glitter. If I tap off the excess, you can see this is what we're looking like. And then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds and give him a good old dust off. And here is what he looks like. It's really, really pretty, and it's just a simple way to do a completely different nail. And then here you have one matted and another one shiny, so you can see how one foil can have 3 completely different looks. As always, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.